Hi! Today I want to show you how to change the language of your BOSCH oven, so let's get right to it. So my guess is that your device is already built inside the kitchen cabinet and you're struggling to find the option to change the language. So I'm gonna keep this video short and show you how to do it. First thing you have to do is turn off the device. But not only from the front panel, but also from the main electricity cable. Now leave the device for about 15 seconds. You can also press the on and off button so it can restart itself. After that, simply plug in the power supply back on and the language menu will pop up by itself. You set up your language and then save it with the clock icon. You can also set up your time, the same thing, and you're done. Another way of changing the display language is through the settings menu. You simply need to push the information button and hold it for 5 seconds. Then it's going to indicate that you're in the settings menu. After that, simply follow the instructions. And here's the language. You can choose your language and continue setting up your machine. After you're done setting it up, you need to save it with the same information button and hold it for 3 seconds.